All right, welcome back to DDI Yourself, where we're adding value, sharing content, and bringing experiences. It is a new year. It is 2021, and we are going to be getting after it here. This video is all about just asking yourself the question of this year: who do you want to be? Who do you want to become? What are you going to do this year, right? We got 12 months. Let's make them count, right? Like, really, what are you going to do, right? I know a lot of times it could get very easy for you to just come into the year and just be like, yeah, I'm gonna do what I've always done, right? We're not gonna be doing that this year, especially for us as a company. We're gonna be growing, get into new spaces, things we've never done, working on subscription services with HelloFresh, working with them, getting into a situation where how do we get into the gaming space, right? And how do we still capture and, still do our existing business where we're at right now in the tech industry. But this year I'm excited because I understand 2020 was crazy, but 2021 is gonna be crazier in the fact that we're going to be going to the new levels. And I think last year people learned a lot of new muscles, got a lot of new skill sets down that they didn't think they even had in them. And they're going to be using that in 2021 as we move forward here. But we're going to bring in more content too as well, right? Something that we did something I started doing, just filming, but I started to understand that, hey, I enjoy talking to the people. Whoever I'm speaking to right now, I enjoy talking to you, and hopefully this can help you get to the next level. And for anyone who's listening to me right now, this content helps you progress in your career or get to the next level. I'm going to keep bringing it and doing it this year, right? So these are the big pieces that we're going to be focusing on this year, but we're more excited than ever. We're growing. We're getting ready to have one of our biggest years yet, and we're going to be doing it all together in one piece here. One thing I'm going to bring up this year too as well, how do we think bigger? How do we think bigger? How do we think bigger, right? I know I've been thinking big, but how do I think so big where it scares me, right? And that's what I've really been one of my focuses this year. The theme for me this year is understanding. Since I understand, I must do, and that's what I'm really going to be honing in on. But I'm excited to talk to you guys this year. This is DDI Yourself. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're going to be bringing it this year, but overall, as always, let's go out and let's get it.